Tree pose for beginners. Tree pose can help stretch and strengthen the ligaments and tendons in your feet, improves balance. Tree pose requires proper weight distribution and posture, which can help provide stability to your groin, thighs, hips and pelvis, strengthens your core. Take your left arm and pass it under your right arm while also rotating the chest to the right. The back of your left hand will rest on the floor with your palm up. Lower your left shoulder as much as you can, while also placing the left side of your head onto the floor. Keep this pose for 20 to 30 seconds. Thank you for watching.